Yes. What's going on, guys? Listen, are you looking for a simple way to scalp the 5-minute chart consistently every single day? Well, today I'm going to show you guys what I'm using, how I'm scalping the 5-minute chart. And also I'm going to show you guys a live trade that I record making $3,000 scalping the 5-minute chart. So what do I do every single day? Well, I like to look at the 5-minute chart for my direction and for my entries. And I look to scalp the market at specific areas, okay? We're looking at support and resistance, and we're looking at supply and demand, okay? Mainly support and resistance, because supply and demand setups that I like doesn't really show up every single day. So mainly support and resistance, but those are levels I'm looking at, and I'm looking for a reaction. Now, I'm not looking at the higher time frame and looking at direction on a higher time frame to make my decision, okay? I know a lot of people do top-down analysis, and some people will say, no, bro, you actually need, the higher time frame for direction. And here's my answer to that, okay? Trading is all about what works for you. Let me repeat that again. Trading is all about what works for you. Just because you use the higher time frame doesn't mean that everyone has to use the higher time frame, okay? It's actually what works for you. That is it. Trading is not black and white, okay? If trading was black and white, trust me, it wouldn't be, 90% of traders lose. So you have to understand whatever fits you. So what fits me is looking at the 5-minute chart, looking at the 5-minute levels, and going from there. So let me show you guys some examples of, what I'm talking about, how I'm looking at the market every single day. So let's go to the chart. So again, right here, guys, I'm looking for the 5-minute chart for direction, right? So we have our swing highs. This could be a possible, support level I'm looking at. We have, demand levels. So let's say the market is, going up right here, and then all of a sudden we have a demand level right here. I can look at that too, okay? Or I can look at, places where the market is bouncing off of right here. So we have support right here. So I know, okay, next time it comes to this support area, I'm looking to buy the market. So that's how I'm looking at the market. I'm looking for recent levels. I'm not trying to go back 4 months, or I'm not trying to go back 6 months in the past. No, usually my levels are what happened today, or, what happened yesterday. Sometimes I might, go to maybe a level from last week. But for the most part, it's either levels from today, yesterday, or maybe 2 days before, but that's pretty much it. Usually the recent levels. Now, let me show you guys live trading, and let me show you guys how I'm looking at the market. All right, so this live trade right here, guys, let me actually go to the chart to show you guys what I saw. Okay, so this is a trade right here with a live trade, and I'm about to show you guys now. I saw support right here. Okay, so notice how we have support right here, and right here. So I'm looking for price to react at that support level, okay? And notice how it came to the support level. Notice how we have multiple rejections right here, plus we have a nice trend line break. I got in just because of that, okay? Nothing else. Again, I'm trying to tell you guys, I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. Looking at support and resistance on the 5-minute chart, and looking for reactions on the 5-minute chart. So let's play the live recording. All right, so right here, we have the recording, and the market's going up, and it looks good, right? So right now, I'm looking to get a 2-to-1 out of this, okay? So that's 2 times my money. I think we have enough space to go up, and I'm looking to just, do a nice little quick scalp. So let me fast forward this for you guys so you can see what happened next. Okay, so notice how the market, went up, went back down to my entry, went back up again, went back down to my entry, and, now it's going to my target profit. Now, I'm here to tell you guys, listen, sometimes the market will wiggle as soon as you get in. Don't sweat it, okay? Don't sweat if the market goes against you as soon as you get in, because a lot of times it will, okay? Sometimes it will go straight to your target profit. A lot of times it will wiggle, okay? You just have to stick to your plan. Understand you have rules in place. Don't be scared, right? Don't get out of your position, and just look for your target. So let me fast forward this, show you guys what happened next. So right here, the market is going to my target, and notice how basically I hit my target and I'm out. And if you just look to the left, I'm up $3,000 and $25. Okay, so that was that trade right there, guys. It was straight to the point. Again, looking at these 5-minute levels, looking at reactions, and I'm getting in, and that was it. So let me show you guys another trade example. Okay, so this trade right here, we had resistance at the top, right? So I'm looking to short this resistance. Again, 5 minute chart. I'm getting, notice how the market is about to stop me out. Okay. I want to show you guys this because trading is not perfect. You definitely will have losers. Okay. So right now, I'm looking for the market to stop me out. I can't do nothing about that. And let's fast forward this. So right here, guys, it stopped me out. And basically, if you look to the left, I'm down $1,062.50. Okay, so again, it is what it is. That's how trading is. You will lose some. So let me show you guys another example. All right, here's a live trading right here, but let me go to the chart first to explain this trade. All right, guys. So this trade right here, if we look to the left, we have support. Okay, and we're bouncing off support. So right here, notice how we have a nice rejection, and all of a sudden we have a nice bullish bar. To me, I just got in when I saw that bullish bar right there. And, yes, I could have got in right here. Sometimes I would like to look for a little bit more confirmation. That's just how I trade sometimes, okay? So I got in right here. It was a quick scalp, one-to-one trade, and I was done. So let me show you guys a quick recording. So right here, I'm in the trade, and basically notice how the market is going up, and it pulled back a little bit, right? And then it went back up again. So that's telling me that sellers tried to come in, but buyers came right in. It came in right away. So to me, I like this trade. I'm feeling good. I believe that it could go to my target profit. So I'm just waiting. So let me fast forward this and show you guys what happened next. All right, so the market is going towards my target profit. And notice how we have multiple rejections to the downside, right? It's trying to go down. But again, it couldn't go down, guys. So that's giving me even more confidence that this is going to work out, because we try to sell off 1, 2, 3 times, and now bulls are coming in the market, and it looks like it's going to my target profit. So I'm very confident about this trade. So let me fast forward this. Hit my target profit. Look to the left. I'm up $2,065. So that was my trade. A quick one-to-one. I was very confident with that trade, and pretty much overall, I like that trade. So let me show you guys another trade example. All right, so here's a live trade, but before we go to the live trade, let me show you guys, what I was thinking. Okay, so here is the trade right here, and pretty much we're in definitely a bull trend right here, right? And look to the left, we definitely have support right here. I'm thinking, it looks like a nice little inverse head and shoulders type setup, right? And we are bouncing off this level right here, and I'm just looking for continuations to the upside. So I saw this nice bullish bar right here, so I said, all right, opportunity to get in, let me get in, and just go for a quick winner. And that was it. So let me show you guys the live trade. All right, so overall this trade, again, it was looking good, and we have a lot of wiggling back and forth. It's just what it is. That's trading, guys. Stop thinking that as soon as you go in the market, it's going to go to your target profit. It's not going to do that a lot of times. Sometimes it will wiggle, and it is what it is. So right here, it looks like it went up, and it's like, at first I thought it was going to stop me out. Look at this bar right here, but it didn't stop me out. And right now we are going up, and I feel confident about this trade because it tried to go down, if you look at it, 3 times, but it didn't. So now we're going up. Let me fast forward this to show you guys what happened next. All right, so notice how everything is looking good. The bulls are stepping in. So again, I was very confident about this trade until this happened. And right here, okay? So right here, we have the market coming down, and it's looking like, the sellers is trying to come back in the market. I'm like, oh my goodness. But overall, I'm still confident about the trade, but I'm like, it's struggling to go up. So I'm like, I don't know, maybe work out. We'll see. So let me fast forward this to show you guys what happened next. And boom, buyers came back in, and I got my profits. So that was a good trade. If you look to the left, I'm up $1,147.50 for the day. So that was the trade, very quick. Again, using the 5-minute levels. So let me show you guys another trade example. All right, so this trade right here, guys, let's go to the chart, and let me show you guys why I took this trade. So overall, if we look at this market, we do have support right here. It's bouncing off that. It's definitely holding that support. And then it's looking like it's breaking out of this nice little triangle, right? And all of a sudden, and when the market opened, boom, it just went crazy, right? So nice little breakout. We have demand right here. Okay, again, it's all the 5-minute chart, guys. This is not the 4-hour chart. This is not the 1-hour chart. It's all the 5-minute chart, okay? Pull back to the demand level right here. I could have got right here because we had a nice double rejection, but again, sometimes I like to look for a little bit more confirmation. We have a nice little flag situation right here. So that's where I said, all right, we broke this flag. Let me get in. So let me show you guys a live recording. So right here, notice how I'm in the trade. It's looking good. Really don't have any complaints. Again, sellers try to come in, but boom, buyers came right back. And so let me fast forward this to show you guys what happened next. And boom, I got my profits. And this was a quick trade, nothing too crazy, $964 on this trade. And I was done for the day. So that was a quick scalp on the 5-minute chart, only looking at the 5-minute levels. So guys, that's how I'm trading the market every single day. I'm looking at the market and I'm trading the 5-minute chart, the NASDAQ. I'm trading 9:30 a.m. Eastern time when the market opens. I know some people ask me, hey, do you trade pre-market? And the answer is no. There are times where you can trade the free market, but for the most part, the volume comes in at 9:30 when the market opens, okay? Me personally, I like to have a schedule because the schedule will keep you consistent. My strategy that I just showed you guys, can you trade it anytime? Yes, you could. But you really want to trade it at the best times, because if you trade it when the market is choppy, well, now you turn a system that is good into a system that might work sometimes, or, you know, it might work here and there. We don't want that. We want consistency. So we want to trade it, you know, as soon as the market opens, because that's when more buyers are in the market. So we need to participate when there are more, you know, people in the market. It's just what it is. But yeah, sometimes you can definitely get, you know, some good, you know, plays or good trades during pre-market. But in my opinion, the best time to trade is when the market is open. So that's how I'm trading every single day. Hope you guys learned from this. If you did, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Also, if you want to learn more how I trade, check what I have out in the description below. And if you have any questions about anything that I discussed today, comment below, because I like to, you know, answer your guys' questions. Thanks a lot for your time, guys, and have a great day. We out.